Are you seeing the we couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible with Windows Hello Fingerprint error message when opening your computer? Well, you have landed at the right place. We have the best solutions for you. Welcome back to silicophilic.com, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Update Windows. The easiest way to resolve this issue is to update the Windows. You can check for the latest and pending updates by going to the Settings app and then the Windows Update option. If there are any pending updates, then install it and reboot the system. This will fix the issue. Method 2. Set Windows Biometric Service to Automatic. If the issue still persists, then go to the Windows search box, type Run and press Enter to open the Run command box. Then type services.msc and hit Enter. Now navigate to the Windows Biometric Service. After that, right-click on it and then click on Properties. From the Startup options, choose Automatic and apply the changes. Then click on Stop and then click on Start and complete the process by clicking on OK. This should resolve the issue. Method 3. Update Biometric Device Driver. Go to the C drive and find the Windows folder. Then navigate to the System32 folder and in it the WinBio plugins folder. After that, open the Face Driver folder in it and the Hello Face file. Right-click on this file and install it. After that, open Device Manager. Here expand Biometric Devices. Right-click on the available driver and select Update Driver. Choose the option Search automatically for drivers. Close the window and check if the issue is resolved or not. Method 4. Edit the associated group policy. Open the Run command, type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. Go to Computer Configuration and click on Administrative Templates to expand it. Then head over to Windows Component and expand it to find Biometrics. After that, right-click on each of the 4 options one by one. 1. Allow the use of biometrics. 2. Allow users to log on using biometrics. 3. Allow domain users to log on using biometrics. 4. Specify a timeout for fast user switching events. Then select Edit. From there, enable it and apply the changes. After that, open the Facial Features folder and select the Configure Enhanced Anti-Spoofing option. Right-click on this option, choose Edit and then disable it. Now restart the computer and check if the fingerprint is working or not. And there you have it. We hope one of these methods worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Join our Facebook group to get direct help on everything tech. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.